Hello guys, today we have OALE A20 charging port replacement. Alright, customer bring this device and told me the device is not charging anymore. He called me and told me he need a new battery for this device. I told him that we don't have battery for this model. So I asked him why did he need a new battery. So he told me that the device is not charging. Desolder the two wires. This is for the loudspeaker. So I told him to bring the device because the issue could not be with the battery. I was positive that the problem was with the charging port. So he came for me to fix this problem for him. We have a flex cable connected the subboard to the mainboard. In order to solve this issue, you can just replace the whole subboard and fix your own problem. I'm going to proceed to replace just the charging port. We have some dust at the subboard. I'm going first to clean it because we are going to make too much heat into it. I'm always prefer to use the heating gun with the soldering iron. In this way we can prevent too much heat to get to that subboard and make some damage to that subboard. As you can see, this is always perfect and goes right with me. You can do both for better job. These cheap models comes with these errors. The charging port comes loose after few months. That's because of cheap production. We have the microphone near the charging port. This microphone could be damaged during this operation, so be careful not to damage that microphone. Alright, check whatever charging port is fit on place. Alright, this one is good. Now I'm going to use that tweezer to remove some dust with it. After that I will make some cleaning and resolder the pads. This is Amtech flux paste. Alright, I resoldered the pads. I'm going to use my technique to put the new charging port in place. To mention, I have a low melt soldering. I'm going to put on these legs because I need the charging port to get in place so fast without making too much heat to the other board. Start heating before you put the new charging port because it has plastic on it and we don't need to melt that plastic. Alright, it's in position. Hold it down, then let it cool down for a few minutes. You can check the pins, and if they are all good, you can just assemble and the problem has been solved. This one seems loose somehow. I'm going to resolder that, maybe two or the third one, fourth one. Put again some Amtech flux, get the soldering iron, resolder 1 and 2. Alright, I think it's good now. I'm going also to check to make sure it's solid, and then I will clean, and then I will assemble and test. Solder the two wires is the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. This is the loudspeaker. Anyway, after testing, this mobile has been charging. Our problem has been fixed for this model. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.